Hello everyone. So we know about HTML and we know list, or you can say that unordered list or order list. So here, like suppose you have an unordered list, okay, that is UL, okay, and you want to give some style sheet, okay, then obviously we require CSS for sure, of course. So here we have HTML head and then opening of style and all that things. But we have two things, okay. We have unordered list like coffee, tea, or Coca-Cola or something, and class is A, and we have a same list, okay, and the class is B. The only thing is in both the case, okay, a style position is now very important. So where exactly you want that filled circle or square or whatever style, actually where you want? You want outside or you want inside? Okay, so that's why we have used the same thing over here. And one more thing, outside is the default one if you are not giving anything. Otherwise, if you want, you can give inside also. Okay, so control S, okay, save. And let's check the output of this, what exactly we are getting and what is the difference actually between inside and outside. Yeah, so this is the first one, which is actually outside, okay, and the bullets are here, okay, and the second one, which is inside, so bullets place or position is here. So that is only the difference, okay. So whichever you like, you can use. Thank you everyone.